Isaac Newton, the revolutionary scientist and his hypothetical life in the 21st century. Welcome to World Changers Top, the channel where we explore the lives of history's most extraordinary figures. Today, we delve into the life and legacy of Isaac Newton, a man whose groundbreaking discoveries reshaped our understanding of the universe. From his humble beginnings to his towering achievements in physics, mathematics, and beyond, Newton remains a symbol of intellectual brilliance. Join us as we uncover his story, his contributions, and imagine how his genius would transform the modern world. 1. Early life and humble beginnings. Isaac Newton was born on January 4th, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England, during a tumultuous period in English history. He was a premature baby, so small and frail that few thought he would survive. His father, a prosperous farmer, died 3 months before Newton was born, leaving his young mother to raise him alone. However, when she remarried, Newton was left in the care of his grandmother, an event that deeply affected him and shaped his introverted and independent personality. As a child, Newton was not particularly remarkable. He was more interested in building mechanical devices, windmills, kites, and even water clocks than in academic studies. Yet his curiosity and fascination with the natural world hinted at the genius he would later become. 12 years old, Newton attended the King's School in Grantham, where he lived with an apothecary's family. Here, he began to develop a keen interest in chemistry and mechanics. But it wasn't until he entered Trinity College, Cambridge, in 1661, that his intellectual potential began to flourish. 2. The Cambridge years and the Great Plague. Cambridge, Newton immersed himself in the works of great thinkers like Euclid, Copernicus, Kepler, Descartes, and Galileo. However, he didn't simply accept their ideas, he sought to build upon them, often challenging their conclusions. In 1665, when the Great Plague struck England, Newton returned to his family farm in Woolsthorpe. During this period of isolation, Newton experienced what he later described as his annus mirabilis, or miraculous year, in just 2 years. He laid the groundwork for calculus. Newton developed a mathematical framework to describe change, paving the way for breakthroughs in engineering, physics, and economics. His calculus was independently discovered by Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, leading to a bitter dispute that lasted decades. Optics. Newton conducted experiments with prisms, proving that white light is composed of a spectrum of colors. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of light and laid the foundation for modern optics. Universal gravitation. Inspired by the famous falling apple, Newton formulated the idea that a single force governs the motion of celestial bodies and objects on Earth. His realization that the same force keeps the moon in orbit and causes an apple to fall was groundbreaking. 3. The Principia changing the world. In 1687, Newton published his most significant work, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, or simply Principia. This monumental book introduced the 3 laws of motion, forming the basis for classical mechanics. These laws are: an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an external force. The acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the force acting on it and inversely proportional to its mass. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The Principia also included his law of universal gravitation, uniting terrestrial and celestial mechanics under a single framework. This work not only explained phenomena like planetary orbits, but also influenced countless fields, from engineering to astronomy. 4. Beyond science, Newton's multifaceted genius. While Newton is best known for his scientific achievements, his interests extended far beyond physics and mathematics. Alchemy. Newton devoted significant time to alchemy, attempting to uncover the secrets of turning base metals into gold. Though his alchemical pursuits were unscientific, they reflected his insatiable curiosity. Theology. Newton wrote extensively on biblical interpretation and prophecies, believing he was uncovering hidden truths about God's design of the universe. Economics and governance. As master of the Royal Mint, Newton reformed England's currency system, combating counterfeiting and stabilizing the economy. His rigorous standards helped establish the Mint's reputation. 5. Personal life and personality. Newton was a deeply private and complex individual. He never married and was intensely protective of his work. Known for his fiery temper, he often clashed with other scholars, most famously with Robert Hooke and Leibniz. Despite these disputes, Newton's focus on his work remained unwavering, earning him a reputation as a solitary and relentless thinker. In 1705, Queen knighted Newton for his contributions to science and public service, making him Sir Isaac Newton. 6. Imagining Isaac Newton in the 21st century. What if Newton were alive today? Let's explore how his genius might manifest in our modern world. Pioneer of space exploration. Newton's understanding of celestial mechanics would position him as a leading figure in organizations like NASA or SpaceX, designing missions to colonize Mars or explore distant galaxies. Champion of AI and machine learning. Newton's mathematical genius could propel advancements in artificial intelligence, revolutionizing how we process data and solve complex problems. Global educator. Newton might create online platforms like a Newton Academy, where his lectures on physics, mathematics, and astronomy would inspire millions. Philosopher of technology. Newton could be a guiding voice in debates about ethics and technology, advocating for the responsible use of AI and scientific advancements. A viral sensation. Imagine Newton on TikTok or Twitter, sharing bite-sized lessons like, gravity, it's not just a force, it's a way of life. Hashtag stay grounded, hashtag physics for all. Newton's unparalleled curiosity and intellectual rigor would make him a transformative figure in today's interconnected world. Isaac Newton was more than just a scientist. He was a visionary whose ideas continue to shape the world we live in. His relentless pursuit of knowledge and his groundbreaking discoveries remind us of the power of human curiosity and determination. If you enjoyed exploring the life of Isaac Newton, please like, comment, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to World Changers Top for more incredible stories about the figures who changed history. Hit the notification bell to stay updated. And let us know in the comments which historical figure you'd like to see featured next. Thank you, and see you in the next video.